In this video, I'll be reviewing Auto Owners Insurance, a US insurer that offers auto, home, and business commercial insurance policies, including commercial auto or business owner insurance. They have been around for a long time, and many smaller businesses and commercial clients pick them because of their broad coverage options and reputation for financial strength. In this review, I'll walk you through what works and what doesn't, and whether they're a good fit for you or not. So let's start with the pros. Let me get the pen out and let's do the pros. Alright, the first point we have is strong financial stability. Strong financial stability. So auto owners carries a top rating for financial strength, A++ or A+, meaning they are very likely to have the funds to pay out claims when needed. That reliability matters a lot when you run a business and depend on coverage in worst case scenarios. The next point we have is broad coverage options and flexibility. Broad coverage options and flexibility. So they offer many kinds of insurance: auto, home, business, commercial auto, even specialty or collector vehicles. That makes them useful if your business needs multiple coverages under one company. Also, there are many choices in policy customization and optional add-ons. The last one we have is personal service via independent agents. So they have a personalized service via independent agents. I'll just shorten it to agents. So auto owners work through independent agents rather than a call center, which can mean personalized service, local understanding, and sometimes more flexibility. If you prefer dealing with a real agent rather than a faceless big company, this is a plus. Now let's look at the cons. Let me change the color. Cons. Alright, the first point we have is limited availability, though only in certain states. Limited availability. So auto owners only operates in about 26 states, so if your business or property is outside those states, you just simply won't be able to use them. The next point we have is no online quoting or self-service. No online quoting or self-service. You can't just get a quote or buy a policy online. Every sale or change must go through an independent agent. This can be inconvenient, especially if you're used to digital services or want quick online management. The last one we have is mixed customer reviews. Mixed customer reviews. So although many customers say they get good value, there are plenty of complaints, especially about long delays, poor communication, or frustrating claims experience. Some policyholders say getting a payout, especially for big claims, is very difficult. Now, what do I have to say about auto owners? Well, auto owners insurance can be a good choice for small businesses, commercial clients, or individuals looking for stable, broad coverage insurance through a financially strong company. Their flexibility, range of products, and the potential for lower premiums make them worth considering, especially if you value working with a real local agent. However, if you want convenience like online quotes, digital policy management, or prefer a consistently smooth claim experience, auto owners might not feel a bit old school, and you may run into frustrations. Also, since their coverage is limited to certain states and varies by agent, it's important to get a detailed quote and understand exactly what you'll get. So anyways guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.